So we've got a sine graph here, and we can see the graph here. A, B, and C are positive. So it's starting from 0 going down. So starting from the midpoint, looks like it's a sine graph, but a sine graph normally goes up. So that will be a negative sine graph. But A is positive, I can't make that negative, so it's not a negative sine graph. So the sine graph actually starts here, that's what it looks like. Let's look at the principal axis. Principal axis is the center. Axis is here, and that's at x equals or y equals 0. So that means that there's nothing added on the end. Well, we got nothing on the end there, so that explains that. A sine graph normally goes from 0 to 1 and back down to -1. In fact, it normally goes like this. Pi and 2 pi. Going up to 1. And this is going up to 4, so it's 4 times bigger. That's my amplitude. So that means that A is 4, so y equals 4 sine. And then the period, so the period there is pi. And so the period of B, therefore, equals 2 pi over the period, which is 2 pi over pi, which equals 2. So this should be 2 brackets. And you can see it because we're multiplying the x by 2, it's doing the opposite, it's shrinking it from 2, so 2 pi gets half as big to pi. So that's why our period is now pi. And then this subtract c is moving it right by a distance. So if this was my graph here, or the original graph was here, when it's been halved, I need to move it right by pi. So that must be c equals pi. Pi over 2, sorry. It goes pi over 2 is where the original graph was here. It's now moved right to be here. So I'm going to have 2 brackets x subtract pi over 2.